Okay, today we're going to show you a quick video on how to put together the LitraPro Soft Box and the Soft Box adapter for the LitraTorch. So these two products are sold separately. The Soft Box comes out of the box ready to mount to a LitraPro, and then sold separately is this LitraTorch adapter. So in each softbox kit, on the back side of the packaging is a very simple demonstration of how to set it up. Inside the box, there's a carry case, the softbox frame, the softbox base, and the softbox four sides. The reflective side is the inside of the sides, and the black is the outside of the sides. Pretty simple to put together. Take the two smaller sides that have the Litra logos on them. Take the base. One side snaps onto the light, and the other side has some grooves for the softbox sides. So the shorter sides snapping into the shorter sides of the rectangle. You take the longer sides and the base of the sides and you plug it in like that. And you'll see that there's some grooves right here, and they'll just kind of find their way in on their own. Take the last piece of the long side and snap it in. Make sure these edges line up. You can take your softbox frame, place it down, and then snap it together. Then you take your Pro and snap it on like that. It's a pretty simple assembly. For the softbox torch adapter, you purchase this separately from the softbox. And this snaps onto the base like that, and then you take your torch and plug it in like that. So pretty simple setup. You can leave your softbox assembled like this, or take it back apart and pack it in this carry bag so that you can have the most compact travel kit. Or again, some people choose to keep it set up like this. Hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day.